We are now getting breaking news that's coming in from Bengaluru. The Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has called for an all-party meeting on the current COVID situation in the state. Yediyurappa has said that while there is no question of a lockdown in Karnataka yet, the Technical Advisory Committee has also said that positive cases will increase till the 2nd of May. Sagaraj is now joining me on the phone line for more details on this. Sagaraj, we have seen, about 10,250 fresh cases being reported in Karnataka, with a large number essentially of these cases, above 7,000, coming in from Bengaluru urban alone. So in that sense, the state over there prepping up to deal with what could be a bigger emergency?
Absolutely, and this is the first time that so many cases have come to light in the second wave. In fact, it is the highest cases which was reported on Sunday evening here in Bengaluru, more than 10,000 cases. And followed by that, yesterday there were more than 9,000 cases, which is the second highest in the state of Karnataka. And whenever there are more cases reported in the state of Karnataka, it is Bengaluru which has the highest cases. And Chief Minister, who has taken cognizance of this, has called for an emergency meeting and also all-party meeting on 13th of April here in Bengaluru, where he'll be discussing about the future course of action.
Now, Sagi, even though the Chief Minister over there saying that there is really no question of a lockdown, but that's a stand that's been taken by many states. But most of them then understand that perhaps, localized lockdowns are something that they need to look at, night curfews and so on and so forth. So what are you hearing from the government in that sense? What are the measures that they could perhaps be looking at?
See, Karnataka government has already given instructions to the people and the officers to ensure that everybody follows COVID protocols and guidelines in and around city and the state. And in fact, 7 districts where night curfew is imposed, they are strictly monitoring the movement of the people. They want to cut the spreading, or they want to cut the chain somewhere where they can avoid the spreading. But if you notice, the cases are increasing, and the Technical Advisory Committee board has also suggested Chief Minister and the Health Minister to go for a mini lockdown. But so far, the government is hell-bent that they will not go for a lockdown, but they are trying to impose stringent laws and stringent restrictions on the people, where they have already instructed that there will be no swimming pool or parties which will be allowed in the apartment. And they have also asked people to follow social distance wherever they go. And they have also cancelled religious gatherings and festivals across the state.
All right, Sagaraj reporting from Bengaluru over there. Thank you for joining us.